This message says, "Hello, Mr. Gerard. I'm Joseph, and I'm a huge fan. Great work. You are doing. God bless you. A quick one, sir. After learning from you on your YouTube website, so I learned about pickle workers, and I have made over $500 in 3 weeks." Joseph just made $500 doing the exact same thing I'm going to be teaching you guys in today's video. So it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to the end of the video, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. Now, before we jump right in, I want to encourage you, if you're new to my channel, to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button. Now, what the bell button does is that when I drop amazing video, just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification. Now, that's it, guys. Let's go to my screen right now and let me show you guys exactly how to make money online in Nigeria in 2022, guys, and let's go. So what you need to do right now is to click on the first link box below. Once you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this interface. So coming to this place, what you need to do is to click on log in or get started. I actually prefer get started because you're actually trying to get started, right? Now, this website has an active members in over 250 countries and territories, and you joining right now will be another active member. So let me show you how to make money on this platform right now. I'm just going to click on get started, right? So what you need to do is going to bring you right here where it says sign up. So you're going to put in your real name. Now it's important that you put in your real name right here, your real name, right? So if your name is Jessica Brown, that's what you need to put right here, Jessica Brown. Now your email address goes in here, your password, then put in your password here again. Put your password here a second time, right? Then put in your nickname, right? Then select your country. Now it's important that you select your real country. Do not select some other person's country. Right, guys, you run the risk of being banned if you actually do the wrong thing. So I'm making sure that I show you everything step by step so that you will not run into problems in the future. And right here, click I am a worker. Now make sure you are here. I am a worker. Now click on I agree to Pickle Workers terms of service. And this is optional. You can actually click on this or leave it and click on sign up to set up an account. That's all you need to do primarily, right? Now, what I'm going to do is to log into my own account. I'm not creating a second account because I already have one. So I'm guiding you on how you can actually do the exact same thing that Joseph did and the result that Joseph got. So I'm just going to come here right now and go to login, right? I'm going to put in my email address here. I'm putting my password here. I'm going to hit login to log into my own account. Now, okay, this is logging me in. Beautiful. This is it right here. So it says that I have earned $36 right here. It's actually more than $36. I think I've made a few withdrawals. That's why it's right here. This is what I've earned, right? There's no pending balance right here. And this is all you need to do. So you can actually come to this profile and go to my profile, and they set up your employer profile, about me, and all of this worker profile. You can just go ahead and set all of this up, right? So just come here and go to account settings and take your time to go through this. Set up your name, your email address, your date of birth, and all of that. Fill all those in. Security, your KYC. This is where you submit your documents, your ID card for verifications and all of that. So just make sure you do all of this, right? So I'm just going to come here. Let me show you how to make money. So I'm here right now. I've selected worker, right? So let's come to micro jobs right here and go to find jobs. Okay, so these are jobs that you can do right now and you're going to be getting paid right now. So this one here, what you need to do is to go to Mofa, sign up, and do your KYC, new users only, and you're going to be getting $1 instantly, right? $1 is about 700 naira. So imagine you get $1, $5, $10 in a day. $10 in a day is 7,000 naira. Easy money, right? So you have actually made more than the 5,000 that I promised you guys in the beginning of this video. You see? So come here. This is $1, right? So let's find out. Okay, this is working app. Install the app. Sign up. Right? Quick job. You're going to be getting 0.215. Which is 215 cents basically. Right? This one 5 plus SEO. These are things that you can do right now and you're going to be getting paid. Now there's another way, a new way to actually make money on this particular website, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a little while. So it's important for you to stay with me. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be, leaving no stone unturned basically. So these are things that you can do right now and you're going to be getting paid doing all of this, right? So this one says comment on an article and you're going to be getting $1 just for leaving comments on an article. Now let's take a look at this one. Now there are 50 chances here. For the 3 persons have completed this, now you have 7 more chances. Let's hurriedly do something and see what happens. I'm just going to click on this place. So it says if you are from this country, Bangladesh, Ghana, and Morocco, you are not accepted on this job. right? So stay clear. Now, for me right now, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm accepted to actually do this job. So what I'm going to do right now is to come here and say, this person says what's expected from the worker, right, to actually get paid. So you need to go to this website, open article, click open article button. Now click open here. Complete offer required to open article. The offer is easy to complete. Simply input the correct information in the form or download the app and use it for 1 minute. Comment on the article, good job, great article, and screenshot your comment. Note, make sure you comment on our correct article. Correct article title, how to create a whatever. A submitting spam proof will lead on a ban. Now, required proof. This is the proof that you need to submit, for them to actually verify that you actually did the job and pay you. You need to submit the article title, screenshot of your comment, and screenshot if you have completed offer required. So this is where you submit the screenshot.
I send a comment here with no links, upload screenshots only, or you can click here to actually attach your screenshots, right? And you can also put comments right here and all of that. And once you hit submit, the money is going to come into pending right here, right? And once the person, the employer actually approves what you've done, the money comes into your end balance, as you can see mine right here. And that's what Joseph did to actually make over $500, right? So I'm gonna come here to, okay, let's go back and see if we can find something else that we can actually use. Okay. So guys, if you're getting any value from this video, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button again, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button if you've not done that already, of course. So look at this one, for instance. It says Audible 30 days free trial, sign up, new users only. So I'm just going to click on this right now, and there are 30 slots, as you can see. So what you need to do right here is to go to this URL, right? Click on try for 0.00, right? And input details required. It's a free trial. After getting the free credit, log in with your sign up details and buy a book with the free credit given, right? So you're not spending any money, and listen to one free book for at least 30 seconds. Now, the proof that is required is a screenshot of success registration of your welcome email, right? The screenshot of the book you purchased, history under of screenshot of book purchase history under your account details. Purchase history must show date and time. Upload a screenshot, and that's all you need to do, right? This is pretty simple, So what you need to do, if you already have an Audible account, of course, use another email address, and I set up one. It's that simple. So, like I said, another way to make money on this particular platform is to actually post your own gigs, right? So you post things that you can do, and people are ready to hire you to actually do these things for them. Now look at this guy right here. He said, I will convert one PDF file to MS Word, right? And his name is Ahmed Robin, and his price is this. So people will come here right now, click and hire Ahmed to actually do these things for them. Now you can actually list your own gigs here on Pico Workers, right? So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm just going to go back right now, and this is loading guys. So like I've said before, if you're getting any value from this video and you have not smashed that like button, I want to encourage you to do that right now. If you don't subscribe to my channel, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel right now, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification, right? So that's it right now. You're gonna come back to gigs and hit post gig, but right here it says available from advanced level. Become an advanced user to start posting gigs. KYC is also required. So what do you need to do? Let me show you guys that right now. So I'm going to come here and go to account settings, right? So it's important for you to have done these micro jobs. I've gotten to a particular level. Now let me show you employer stats, right? So you do, so this is, I'm going to switch this thing back to worker, right? I'm going to switch this thing back to worker, okay? Okay, beautiful. So let's go to settings right now. Account settings. Okay, and come to worker stats. Right, beautiful. Now this is what I was looking for. So you see, the more you earn, right, the more your level increases. So your worker level determines the level of job available for you. So the more you grow, the more jobs you're going to have available for you, and the chances of you making more than $5,000 every day, becomes higher. So right, so the higher level you have, the higher the price of the jobs you can access. Levels are determined based on the amount of accumulated points. You earn points for each task rated satisfied, and for each $1 earned with task. But keep in mind your level could decrease due to prolonged inactivity or tax rated not satisfied. So you need to actually be always online on this particular website. You can put it on your phone, access it like an hour every particular day and do some jobs, right? So that way your level will increase because you are logging in at every point in time. And of course, your success rate, your temporal success rate, everything, as this is increasing, your level is also going to be increasing, right? So this is exactly how to actually increase your level. So you can start posting gig and start making even more money on this particular platform. But for now, you can actually go to micro jobs and do exactly what I've shown you guys. And of course, you're going to be making money online right here in Nigeria instantly, guys. So until I see my next video, guys, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.